Hi, welcome to all of you into my new course of SAP Warehouse Management, wherein I'm going to show you that how you can process the inbound procurement process step by step. So before starting this topic, I would like to show you the few PPT, few slides, wherein you will be able to understand by the end of this course the creation of material master data with respect to warehouse management. The second topic is the storage bin creation, that how you can create the storage bin in SAP system. And after that, I'm going to show you the complete end-to-end cycle for the inbound procurement process. So first of all, before entering into the SAP system, I would like to explain you the some basic concepts of warehouse management, that what exactly the warehouse management is. So it's a part of logistics execution. So my point is, uh, before warehouse management, we have some procurement activities, like you have placed the purchase order and now you are receiving the goods. So after receiving the goods, logistics execution comes into the picture, like how you are going to place your stock into the warehouse, and after that how you are going to ship it and what is the transportation mode. So there are few parameters which are linked with the logistics execution. The first one is the warehouse management, wherein you are just keeping the stocks in your warehouse, which is directly linked with materials management module. And the other two areas are shipping and the transportation, which is a part of sales and distribution. So first of all, you should know few terminologies which you will come across when you use SAP Warehouse Management. So let us understand few terms before learning the warehouse management. The first area is the stock category. So stock category means it is representing the status of the stock in the warehouse. So we have four type of stock categories. The first one is the available stock. The second one is inspection stock. The third one is blocked stock, and the fourth one is blocked stock returns. So available stock, as the term says, the stock which is available and ready for use. So this stock is unrestricted stock which can be used for further processing. So there is no usage restriction on this particular stock. So any movement, so we have this stock available in warehouse and we can use any movement on this particular stock. The second stock type is the inspection stock, the stock which is for quality inspection. So material is subject to quality, and when you receive the goods against a purchase order, then system is putting that stock into the quality stock for some quality inspection. So this cannot be used in any other process unless the quality is cleared. Okay, so the parameters which are linked with the inspection stock is, like, it is a not unrestricted. Okay, you cannot use this stock, and we have some usage restrictions. So once the stock is cleared from quality, then only you can use this stock is validated stock, and there is an indicator available with this type of stock so that you can identify whether the stock is in quality or not. That indicator is Q. Then we have blocked stock. So stock which is blocked because of various reasons. The stock is not good in shape, or some quality parameters are not matching as per the business requirement. So you can put the stock as in the blocked stock so that nobody can use it. So the parameters linked with the block stocks are like, this is not unrestricted. Okay, so we have some usage restrictions on this stock. This stock is valuated, and you can identify this particular stock with a symbol S. So whenever you see the stock in your warehouse, if you see the symbol S against the stock, it means that the stock is in the blocked stock. The next one is the blocked stock returns. So this is the stock which is returned by customers. So the characteristics of this particular stock type is, It is not unrestricted, you cannot use it. It is not valuated. Okay, and there is a symbol R is associated with this type of stock. Now, after stock category, we have another term, stock status. So, whenever you are seeing the stock in your warehouse, like we have a transaction available in SAP that is called MMBE for stock overview, and from that transaction itself, you can see the WM stocks as well. So, the stock status are of three types. The first one is showing the total quantity. The second one is stock for put away, and the third one is for pick quantity. So when we see the SAP system, then you will be able to understand this stock status in more details. We have few more new terms which are related to warehouse management. The first term is the transfer requirement. This particular document is created in order to plan a stock movement. Okay, so generally it is called as TR, and it indicates a need to move the specific quantity into the warehouse. Stock placement, which is called as stock placement, means when you are receiving the goods against a purchase order, then there is a TR generated by the system. It means you are going to place your stock into the warehouse in a specific bin. So you are placing your stock. Or we have some other scenarios wherein you are just taking the stock out of the warehouse. At that time also the TR is getting generated, and that is representing to move the quantity out of the warehouse. That is called stock removal. The another term which you come across when you go through with the warehouse scenarios or processes, that is PCN, posting change notice. Okay, so it is similar to transfer requirement in terms of the subsequent processes. Means after TR we are supposed to create the transfer order. The same way we have to create a transfer order based on posting change notice. So either of the document is required, the TR or the PCN. So it comes into the picture whenever the stock type of the material is getting changed, like you are just moving the stock from the unrestricted to the quality or unrestricted to the blocked. So at that time when you're changing the stock type of the material, then the PCN is getting generated into the system, and you have to create a transfer order against the posting change notice. So the third term is, which is a very important term, that is called transfer order, because this is the confirmation of transfer requirement or PCN. So these transfer orders are used to place the stock physically in the warehouse. The quantity is remain unavailable in the warehouse unless the stock placement is not confirmed in the system. It means whenever you are creating a transfer order against a transfer requirement or PCN and you are not confirming it, it means you cannot use that particular stock in the system. You have to confirm the transfer order first in order to use the stock. Warehouse management is linked with other modules also. So we have few interfaces available with warehouse management. The first one is WM with IM. IM stands for inventory management. The second one is WM with SD, sales and distribution. The third one is WM with PP, production planning. And the fourth one is WM with QM, quality management. So WM is linked with inventory management. You can see the process like you are creating a purchase order, then you're performing the goods receipt. Then in during goods receipt, the system is going to generate the transfer requirement, and that transfer requirement is converted into the transfer order, and that transfer order is getting confirmed. So WM is linked with inventory management after goods receipt. So the another integration is the WM with sales and distribution. So we have stock transfer order or the sales order first, then we are going to create the outbound delivery, and after creating outbound delivery we will be having a transfer order. Then after transfer order we are going to do the picking and the transfer order confirmation, then only the PGI will be done. So this is the integration between WM and SD. So we will be seeing all these particular processes in details in my new lectures. The third one is the WM integration with production and planning. So in the production planning, we have production order first, then we are going to create a transfer requirement, then the transfer order, then transfer order is confirmed, then only the GR is confirmed against the production order. The fourth one is the WM linked with quality management. So this particular integration is linked with the complete inspection lots processing. So whenever you are receiving the goods and the material is subject to quality, then the inspection lot is getting generated. So at that time, WM is linked with quality management. So in this particular course, I am going to explain you the complete inbound processing in SAP Warehouse Management, wherein we are going to have some specific master data. So we will be having one material that I will be showing you that how we will create a warehouse managed material. Then we will be creating a purchase order on that material, and I will be showing you the stock status also while doing all these steps, and we will perform the goods receipt. Then we will see that how the transfer requirement is getting generated in the system, how we can see the TR number after creating the goods receipt, and after that we are going to create a transfer order against transfer requirement document, and we will be confirming the transfer order also. And during this process we will see the stock overview in order to understand completely the impact of WM on inventory management. So wish you all the very best in for the new lectures. All the best.